morning students. I hope you all are safe and happy. Today, this video, we are going to talk about International Place Value System. This is exercise 1. Last video, we discussed how to write a number as per International Number System, how to write and how to read as per International Number System. As I told you, the number system have two methods, Indian number system and international number system. We already talked about Indian number system. They have periods, what are the place values are there, what are the periods, how to we have to give period. Then last video we talk about international place value system, and we talk about that what are the place values are there in the international place value system and how to give periods. We talk about that. Today we will take some exercise for your understanding purpose. Okay, here I have taken some numbers. Now I am going to write in this number as per the international place value system. So write each of the following numbers in words. Now I am going to convert into words in as per the international place value system. So first of all, we need to know how to read this number as per international place value system. So we know the place value chart, international place value chart. For your understanding purpose, again I will draw the chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. So these are the place values of international number system. So what I will do, now I want to convert in this number into words form. So first of all, I want to know the place values of given digits. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million. So if you place this digit in this table, then you can read easily. I already told you. So it's a million place. So I put here 2. This is the 100,000. So I put here 100,000. 9 is the 10,000 place. 6 is the 1000 place. 4 is 100 place. Then 10 place, 1's place. So I place the given digit into the place table as per the international place table. So now we can read easily. So it's a million place now. So 2 million is 100,000. So 800, 96,450. Again I will repeat you. 2 million, it's 100,000, no? So 800, okay, 800, say 10,000, so 90,000 plus 6,000, 96,450. So how to write in words? So 2 million, I will write here, 2 million, okay, 800, 96,000, 450. So this is the word form of the given digit using international place value system. Okay, now let me talk another number. Okay, the next number, first I will say how to read ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million. So I will place the number into the table. So 5 is the million place, no? So I will put here 5 million. 3 is the 100,000. Then 2 0, 10,000, 1000 place 2 zeros, then 100 place 6, then 10 place 4 and 1 place 9. So how to read? 5,300,000, 649. Okay, so how to write? 5,000,000 300 300,000 649. So this is the word form of the given number as per the international place value system. Okay, I hope you understand. Then let me see another example. So first of all, I am going to read this number as per the international place value system. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. Okay. So now I will place the digits into the table. It's a ones. So first I will take here ones period. Ones place is a tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place, 100,000 place, million place, 10 million place. So I place the digit into the table. Now we can read for 10 million, no? So 40 million. Okay, 10 into 4, 40, no? 10 into 4, 40. So 40 million, 500,000, 179. So 40 million. Okay, here there is no numbers. So 40 million, only 40, no? For 40 million is a 500,000, 179. So how to write in words? 40 million, 40 million, 500,000, 179. Okay, so this is the way you can convert numbers into words as per the international place value system. Okay students, let me take another exercise. Third exercise. Write the following in figures. So they are given some words. Now we want to convert into the figures, means numbers. First we have to do two things. First you have to read these words. You have to identify the given words are international number system or Indian number system. If international number system, we have to use the international number system table, place value table, then you can convert into the numeral form. If Indian number system, we have to draw the Indian number system place value table, then you have to convert into the numeral form. So what I will do, first I am going to read this sentence, then I am going to find out the given sentence is Indian number system or international number system. Okay, let me see. 2 million. I think before video I told you, if the words 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, if these kind of words it comes, that sentence, that number system we called as the international number system. I already told you. So here million words is there. So I conclude it's a international number system. So for converting to numeral form, I want to draw the place values of international number system. So you know very well, international number system place values ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. So this is the place values of international number system. So now I want to convert the given words into numeral form. So first of all, I will do 2 million. So listen carefully, it said 2 million, it's not a 20 million. So 2 million means we have to place into the million place. So I put 2 into the million place. Then 700, it means it's 100,000. So we have to put 700. So put 7 here, 700, and then 43,000. 43,000, 40 means 10,000 place. So 40,000 plus 3,000. 3 is the 1,000 place. Then 100, so we put 100 place 1, then 49, 4, 9. So now easily I converted the numeral form, the given words. So we have to give comma as per the international place value. We know very well because already we talked about that. So how we can read 2,743,149. I converted into the numeral form. Okay. So now take the example second one. 7 crore, 5 lakh. So lakh, crore, these kind of words comes into the Indian number system. So now I want to find out, I want to convert into numeral form. So I am going to draw the number system, Indian number system, and place values of the number system. So we know very well Indian number system: ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Okay, then 10,000 lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crore. This is the place values of Indian number system. So now I want to convert the words into the number or numeral form. Okay. Now 7 crore. So 7 crore means don't put 10 crore place. You have to put crore place. Means suppose if here has 70 crore, we have to put here 7. But 7 crore we have to put into the 7 crore place. So 7 crore, 5 lakh. Don't put 10 lakh because it's not a 50 lakhs, 5 lakh. So we have to put in 5 lakhs place. Then 47,000. So 40,000 we have to put into the 10,000 place. Then 7,000 put into the 1,000 place. So 47,000. 500 means 100 place in 5. Then 505. 5 is the ones place. If you look at it, here there is no number, here also there is no number. So put simply 0. So this is the numeral form of the given words. So as per the Indian place value, we already talk about how to give period. First 3 digit, then after 2 digit. No. So I gave period as per the Indian number system. So I hope you understand these two types of number system, Indian and international number system. There in your book have some many exercises. So please solve that exercise and send me your photocopy into my WhatsApp number. Okay, students, let me see some quiz program. It's like a quiz program. So find the number system. So they given some numbers and they give some periods as per the Indian or international number system. If you are well into the number system, if you know the two types of number system as per Indian or international number system, if you are a genius, you can say answer in these given numbers. Okay. First A, it's a Indian or international number system. Answer, tell me the answer. It's a Indian number system or international number system. If you know very well in the number system of Indian and international number system, you can answer this question. So it's a quiz program. So first 3 digit, 1 period, then after 3 digit, 1 period, then after that there is no. So it's a which number system they used, Indian or international. Okay, you write answer. Then second one, first 3 digit After they give the given period, after 3 digit again they give period or comma, then after 2 digits. Okay, so this number system, Indian or international number system, write your answer. Then see, first 3 digit comma, then after 2 digit, then after 2 digit, so the given period. Okay, so this number system, Indian or international number system, write your answer. Then D, first 3, then after 2, after 2, after 2. So find the number system, the given period. So write the answer and send me the WhatsApp.